Here's how to fix Samsung microphone if it's not working. Now, if you're trying to make calls or maybe use the microphone in apps, Snapchat, WhatsApp, stuff like that, I'll show you how to get it fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, I have a Samsung Galaxy. The first thing I'm going to do on my phone is swipe up and we're going to get into your settings. So tap on that. Now from here, all we need to do is scroll down, and what we're looking for is the option for security and privacy, and tap on that. Now, once we're in here, all we need to do is scroll down, and you're going to look for towards the bottom is controls and alerts, and tap on that. Now you can see here microphone access. If this is turned off and it's set to block, this will block microphone access across every single app on your Android or Samsung phone. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, turn this on. But that's only the first step. The second step that we'll do is we'll go back out of here to the beginning, and we will scroll down until we get to the apps section and tap on that. From apps, all we need to do is tap on the three dots at the very top right, and we'll tap on Permission Manager. This will allow us to access the permissions for your microphone. So scroll down and tap on Microphone. And you can see allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, and not allowed. If there's a specific app that you want to be able to use your microphone, let's say Instagram, I want to be able to record videos, I can tap on Instagram and I can hit allow only while using the app or ask every time. And this will give permission to use the microphone for that app. Now, if this doesn't fix your microphone, there are two other things that we can do. The first thing we'll do is go back to the beginning here. We'll scroll down and tap on Software Update and Download and Install. And just basically update your phone to the latest version. You can see I have Android version 15. Just update to the latest version. A lot of times that fixes bugs and glitches, including issues with your microphone itself. The last thing that you can do if none of these fixed it is you can always just press and hold that side button until you get the restart and just tap on restart to reboot your phone. You'd be surprised how many times just restarting your phone fixes a lot of bugs or glitches. It could have been up and running for days or weeks. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.